MySpace days and everybody's like profile picture used to be like this. Alright guys, so I'm starting with a clean canvas and we're just gonna like dive right into it. First things first, I will be starting with a moisturizer. I normally use the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors HA, like so. Hydrating your skin under your makeup is very, very important. You do need to protect your skin at all costs, whether you have oily skin, dry skin, sensitive, etc., whatever type of skin you have. It's like a barrier underneath your makeup, so it will definitely protect your skin and also just keep it moisturized. So but this has been like my all-time favorite and I do wear it. Primer. Please wear primer, okay? I do not care what anybody tells you. You need primer. Primer is what makes your makeup last longer, stay longer, look very luminous, and you don't have to put as many pumps or as many swipes or buildable whatever on top of your makeup. Like literally one coat is enough with primer. So I'll be doing my all-time favorite primer, Tarte Double Duty Beauty. It's right here. It is a hydrating primer base. It's amazing, especially if you have like dry skin. I do have normal to dry skin. I have sensitive skin, and I also have hyperpigmentation, and etc. I could probably talk all day, but I have like a very like difficult skin. If you do have oily skin, I don't believe it should be that bad for you guys. Definitely try it out for sure. Don't be scared to moisturize if you do have oily skin. So now we'll be doing eyebrows. Right now I'll be using just a regular basic eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade dark brown. You can get this at any beauty store. And I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows. I'll do little strokes in the front. Just trying to match my arch. This eyebrow is actually more arched than my right eyebrow, so I kind of try to get them matched the best. Better Skin Concealer in the shade Medium Deep. Yep, as you can see here. And I'll be using FENTY. Let me see if you can see it right. So I'm in the shade 420. I'll use that to go for the top of my eyebrows. Alright, so foundation. For a soft glam, I'm trying to go for a dewy look. So I normally just do a few pumps as you can see, I just put about like 2 pumps per side. It may look a bit yellow on camera, but I will assure you this is my correct skin tone. Now I'll be using the Tarte Heavy Duty Concealer in the shade Tan Deep Sand. Be careful, it's very high coverage. I think it's gorgeous on a soft pan, and I feel like it just gets the job done. So just gonna be putting it under my eye. I will be blending this specific part out first. That's just me. You don't have to, but I normally take my time. Damp beauty sponge, and I'm just going to dab that in. Like, you see how it just fully covers everything. I do like a really bright highlight when I do my soft glam. I feel like it brings out my eyes like a lot. And with the double tape, and we're just gonna do it all over. On this part, learn your head shape before you contour and highlight. Know your face shape. This is what makes and breaks your makeup. For example, I have a heart-shaped head, so therefore I'm very round on the top of my head, and my jawline area is more sharper than any part of my face. So I normally would contour my jawline, make it more enhanced, maybe do a more circular contour to make my forehead look smaller or whatever. I know what fits my face, so that's why it looks really nice. Learn your face shape. Are you oval? Are you square? Are you heart shaped like me? Are you diamond? Like, figure that out first. Beauty blender brush, and we're just gonna go in all the parts that we just contoured. All right, contour. Now I'm going in with the black Opal stick in the shade Coral, and it looks like so. That's the shade. And then we're just gonna contour like so. So I like to take it up on the side of my face. It helps, like, you know, connect my face, and it also hides any type of flashback, any creasing that my concealer may have done. So I know we put in those areas, and we're just going to blend it up, because that's what we're trying to contour our jawbone, so we have to blend it up, not down. The setting powder for our highlight, I will go in with the Airspun. This is in the shade Translucent. If you are on my skin color or darker, I would suggest either a yellow hue, like a honey, or a brownish type of hue to it. If you want to use translucent, that is also okay, but maybe the yellow might be best for you. If you are lighter, then of course you can stick to either translucent, or if even a yellow hue, that is perfectly fine by you. A damp Beauties blender sponge, and we're just going to dip it, blow it, blow off the excess, and we're just going to dab that in. We want the skin to absorb the powder. do not slap it on your face because I see it. I see it on girls every day and I want to help them, but I can't help everybody. So watch my video and don't do it. I'm gonna take a little more and we're just gonna literally do our nose. If you wanna contour. Like so. Using my Tarte bronzer, and this is in the shade Hotel Heiress, as you can see, and then we're just gonna do it on all the areas that we literally just contoured. Now we're just gonna take our MAC Studio Fix, our MAC powder. All was right. Our MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW43. I'm just like brushing off. So we're taking the shade Rose and oh shit, excuse my name. We're just gonna do our cheeks in this look. I think it does make a difference. It's a little difference. You can see, you know, I naturally, you know, have pink lips, so I try to match my skin tone, well, my natural lip color, and it also makes it look very, very natural and soft, glammy. I don't know. So I'm using the same brow pencil that we use on our brows. And then now I'm using my what is this? My Maybelline Gloss Lifter. Such a beautiful case, beautiful lip gloss. It's in the shade 006 in the Reef, and I'm just gonna put that right over. Highlighter by Stila in the shade Brilliance. As you can see, it's a very beautiful gold shade. But first things first, we need to put and prime with our MAC. And while our face is still wet, we're just gonna take our fingers and we're just going to highlight. See how pretty it is on my skin tone? It's just like beautiful. So, alright everyone, this is the final look. This is my soft glam makeup look. I do this all the time. If you do follow my tips, your makeup will last all day and it will literally look bomb on any skin tone, any face, any skin problem. It's gonna look nice. So follow my tips and you'll be okay.